What's up, weirdos? Good morning. Okay, so big day for crypto and Bitcoin specifically. A lot hinges on this monthly close. We're going to talk about it, guys. We've got a lot of Jasmy stuff to get into as well. We're going to talk about Jasmy Labs launching their test net and much more, guys. Let's dive into it. Bit of a mixed bag today, making people feel a false sense of security, I think, with some green in the markets. We do have some DCA opportunities, though. Stuff like Supra, Pith, ZBEC, Clearpool, providing fantastic opportunities. Crow, GFAL, I probably wouldn't buy yet because it did pump pretty hard over the last like 2 or 3 days. So I probably wouldn't be interested in that right now, but it is down if you were looking at DCAing. Telos, like I said, Crow, Superverse, Vara, some fantastic opportunities. Going a little bit broader here, guys. Maddox having a good day. Hex is doing okay. Flare, IP is pumping 22.2%. Forum, I'm not sure what Form is, but I'm going to have a look at it and see what I can see. Because then it was pumping pretty hard. I think yesterday. Now it's down. It might have been yesterday. Maybe the day before. Either way, I got to look into it. I don't even know what it is. It's got a $1.16 billion market cap. I haven't looked into it, but there's some good DCA opportunities out there nevertheless, guys, right? So yeah, take full advantage of it, right? Not financial advice. You got to do what you got to do, guys. But let's go have a look at the Bitcoin chart, shall we? See what we see over there. So we bounce up and rejected off the bottom of our little golden pocket here at 109,536. Currently back down to $108,441. Now we have to get above this orange line up here at $114,000. We have to close above there today if we want to have any hope of moving to the upside in the next 2 months, right? So that orange line signifies whether we're going to see red timber and Rectober or green timber and Moontober. I don't know. We're going to see. It's going to determine a lot, guys. And the reason for that is if we don't close above here, above $114,000, we are most likely going to come down around, let's put in some more lines here. We're going to come down around 104,000 and possibly 98,000. Those are our two targets. Let's just put a giant box there. How about that? Right? Let's put a giant box there. That's our target if we do not close above $114,000. That's likely where we're coming down to. 106 might try to act as a level of support. It was a significant level in the past, as you can see. Support, resistance all through here. So yeah, resistance. So it was a significant level in the past. So 106 could try to hold us up a little bit, but if we don't move up here to $114,000, we are likely going to see that breakdown, right? Now, what can save us? I'm going to clean this up a little bit. What can save us, you might ask, right? What can cause us to move from where we are now all the way up over this orange line at $114,000? Well, I will tell you what can save us, my friends. Let me pull up the chart here. What can save us, in my opinion, is the liquidation levels. Okay, we're seeing too many. I'm seeing a lot of longs. Actually, not as much as yesterday. Maybe there's less longs today. So if we move up to $114,000 on the daily time frame, $1.23 billion worth of liquidations will happen on the short side. But the interesting, look how much is piled up on the monthly. So if we do see a move up to 114K today, we would see about $6 billion worth of shorts will get liquidated, right? So we could see a short squeeze take place this afternoon, which could jettison us up over that $114,000 level. Bulls could step in and they could push us up. It's possible. It's right there for the taking, guys. So I would give it honestly, I give it about a 60-40 shot. 60-40 that we that we're going to go to the downside, that we will not close above $114,000. The odds are greater we will not close above $114,000. So 60-40 to the downside, but 40 is a pretty, it's a pretty decent chance. So you're saying there's a chance, right? It's a great day to have a great day, guys, is what you have to remember. Listen, take advantage of the opportunities that are being put in front of you. And the other caveat I would say, if you are holding altcoins and not so much Bitcoin, listen, altcoins have held up over the last month and a half or so really, really strong against Bitcoin. And I've addressed this a few times. So if Bitcoin does see that pull down, I personally would not expect altcoins to be, pulled down as far as they would have in the past, right? And I think that's a sign of Bitcoin dominance continuing to lose strength, right? So I think that, normally a move like that, altcoins would bleed like 30%. I think you might see an average of 5 to 8% in terms of bleeding in the altcoins instead of like 30, which is, less than a third of the damage that we would usually be used to taking. So, and then you're going to have it's going to take about 6 to 8 weeks to recover after that for Bitcoin. So that will give us an opportunity to dollar cost average. There's a silver lining in everything. That's if we close to the downside, right? Okay, let's get into some of the news that we got going on today. But as we always do about this time, quick shout out to channel sponsor, Decent Biometric Wallet. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. Use our link down below. Get yourself a fantastic deal. 2-for-1 deal on the biometric wallet today. You can swap, take profits, and even stake your crypto right on your Decent wallet without it ever leaving your custody. Take advantage of the 2-for-1 deal today, guys. Again, use our link down below. Get a great, great deal. All right, let's get into the couple of the updates here. Jasmy Labs launches testnet for Jasmy chain from Japan. Let's talk about it just a little bit. On the 26th, Jasmy Labs renamed its Layer 2 solution Junction Layer 2 Jasmy chain, completely revamped its technical foundation, and released a testnet. The new chain will use Arbitrum's Orbit and use Jasmy as a custom gas token. The company, which is engaged in the blockchain and GPU cloud business, aims to provide a high-speed and low-cost execution environment in the AI Web3 domain. The most important feature of Jasmy chain is that it uses Jasmy for gas fees through Arbitrum's Orbit custom gas token system. By settling network gas previously paid in Ethereum with Jasmy, the Jasmy token economy has been directly integrated into the blockchain. Arbitrum Orbit is a framework that allows you to build your own Layer 2 and Layer 3 chains, allowing project-specific designs that do not depend on existing shared Layer 2s. The inheritance of the Arbitrum Nitro stack enables advanced EVM compatibility, which allows Solidity smart contracts and tools to be migrated almost verbatim. The testnet offers features such as token distribution and testing through Junction's Mint Faucet, meme coin creation on Meme Launchpad, and simple coin creation via Telegram bots. Now, being able to create meme coins in the Junction ecosystem / Jasmy ecosystem is massive, guys. We saw just last year what launching meme coins in the Solana ecosystem did for Solana's price action, right? So do not sleep on that advantage. Upon launching the testnet, Jasmy Labs launched a proof of concept experiment with multiple decentralized application candidates in areas such as DeFi, NFTs, and AI and media processing. We will verify Jasmy Chain's fee model and processing performance. The company plans to have 2 chain configurations in the future. Jasmy Chain functions as a public Layer 2 responsible for running DeFi and various dApps, and Layer 1s, a functional integration dashboard platform, is currently under development. In order to expand the ecosystem, we're promoting incentives for users to participate in tests and joint demonstrations with companies, educational institutions, and creators. For companies that want to run new businesses, the company also offers a sponsorship package that provides the company's GPU cloud services for free. Massive, massive. And I did talk with my connections over at the Jasmy team, and they had told me the same thing. I told you guys about that a few months ago, maybe 2 months ago, that I had asked them if they planned on using the GPU processing power from the GPU cloud that they were creating to incentivize companies and projects to either migrate over to the Junction ecosystem or launch there. And they said, of course, was the response. So utilizing that GPU processing power as an incentivizing tool to grow out their ecosystem is absolutely next level massive, my friends. Next level massive. So yeah, very, very big news there. And yeah, so that's basically the update for Jasmy's testnet chain. Very, very bullish, guys. And listen, if you are new to crypto, if you've never been through an altcoin season before, guys, listen, there's no shame in having your hand held by a community of people that have been through multiple bull runs and can help you navigate this space without all the fluff, without all the moon boy stuff, without all the drama, without all the BS. Just help making money. That's what we do, guys. Our swing trade tier has been knocking it out of the park. Jump aboard if you're interested in jumping in on our swing trades or our microcap gems. You can book one-on-one coaching call sessions with me personally and so much more, guys. We have community events on weekends, open mic nights, and so much more. We're gearing up to do some giveaways, 8 different chat rooms. Join me and thousands of other members today as part of our community. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.